Hey, English learners. Welcome back to Everyday English Flow, your English podcast for daily life English, real conversations, and easy English listening practice.
Yeah, this is the place where you learn real English from real talk, not from boring grammar books.
I'm Maya.
And I'm Ryan.
So, Ryan, can I ask you something a little embarrassing?
Uh-oh. Go ahead.
Yesterday, I wrote a message to a friend and I wrote, I am been busy. And then I just stared at it for 10 seconds like, wait, is that right?
Oh, I know that feeling. Your brain just freezes.
Maya. Yes, and I write English every day. So if it happens to me, it definitely happens to you, our listener.
Okay, so today's topic already has a name.
Yes, be, being, and been. 3 little words, 1 big headache.
3 words that look like cousins from the same family, but they don't act the same at parties.
That's such a strange way to explain it, but somehow I understand it.
Good, because by the end of this episode, you will understand it too.
Before we start, a small favor. If you enjoy this episode, please like it, subscribe, and share it with a friend who always mixes up be, being, and been.
Especially that friend who texts, I am being late, instead of I'll be late. Wait, that's actually... Hold on.
See, even Ryan is confused already.
Okay, that's exactly why we need this episode.
Right. So here's the big promise for today. After this episode, you will not be scared of be, being, and been anymore. You'll know exactly when to use each one, and you'll have real sentences you can use today.
So stay with us, because by the end, you're going to say one sentence using all 3 words, be, being, and been, in one go. And trust me, that sentence is satisfying.
It really is. Okay, let's get into it.
So Maya, what's the base problem here?
Be, being, and been all come from the same root word, be. But English changes its form depending on the job it's doing in the sentence.
Job. I like that. So the word changes its outfit depending on the job it's doing that day.
Exactly. Think of it like one person with 3 different uniforms. Same person, different jobs.
Okay, that's a picture I can hold on to. 1 person, 3 uniforms.
Right. Be is the base form, the plain uniform. Being is the action form, the uniform with movement. And been is the finished form, the uniform you wear after the job is already done.
Base, action, finished. Okay, let's take them one at a time, starting with be.
Yes, let's start with be.
So Maya, when do we use just be, alone, knowing no extra letters?
We use be after words like will, can, should, must, and after to. It's the plain form, used when another word is already doing the grammar work.
So be never works alone in the present. It always needs a helper.
Right. Like a new employee on the first day. They don't make decisions alone. They wait for instructions from the boss word in front of them.
Oh, I like that. The boss word tells be what to do.
Exactly. So you say, I will be there at 6. Will is the boss, and be just follows.
Or, you should be careful. Should is the boss.
Or, I want to be a better speaker. Want to is the boss.
So the pattern is simple. Helper word plus be.
Yes, let's hear a few more. She can be very kind. They must be tired after the trip.
Notice that be never changes its form here. It doesn't become is or am. It just stays be because the helper word already shows the tense.
That's actually a relief. One form, no changing.
Exactly. Let's act out a quick moment. Imagine you're giving advice to a nervous friend before a job interview.
Okay, I'll be the nervous friend.
And I'll be the calm one. Go ahead, be nervous.
Okay. I'm so worried about this interview. What if I say something wrong?
Just try to be yourself. You don't need to be perfect, you just need to be clear and honest.
Be myself. Be clear. Be honest. Okay, that actually helps.
See 3 be sentences and your friend already feels calmer.
That's the power of plain be.
So the simple rule for be, after will, can, could, should, must, would, may, might, and after to, always use plain be.
Got it. Be is the new employee. It waits for a boss word, and then it does the job without changing its form.
Okay, now let's move to being. This one feels trickier.
It does, but the picture is actually simple. Being is the action form. It shows that something is happening right now in the middle of the action, like a video playing, not a photo.
A video, not a photo. I like that comparison.
Yes, be is like a still photo, calm and simple. But being is the video version. Things are moving, something is in progress.
So we use being with am, is, are, was, were when we're talking about an action happening at a certain moment.
Exactly. For example, she is being very quiet today. That means right now, in this moment, she's acting quiet. It's not her usual personality, it's just her behavior today.
Ah, that's an important point. Being often describes behavior, not identity.
Yes, that's the secret. If I say he is kind, that's his personality, all the time. But if I say he is being kind, that means right now, in this situation, he's acting kind. Maybe he's not always like that.
Oh, that's a big difference. He is being kind almost sounds suspicious. Laughter.
It can. Like, why is he being so nice today? Does he want something?
That's so true. We use that in real life all the time.
Let's do a little scene. Imagine your coworker is acting strange, very polite, bringing you coffee, smiling a lot.
Okay, I'll be confused.
And I'll be suspicious with you. Go ahead.
Why is Sam being so nice today? He brought me coffee and complimented my report.
I don't trust it. He's never usually like this. He's definitely being strange.
Maybe he's being kind because he wants a favor later.
Probably.
See, 3 uses of being, all about temporary behavior, not permanent personality.
That's such a useful difference for learners. Is kind means always. Is being kind means right now, maybe just today.
Exactly. And being has another job too. It can work like a noun describing the action itself. For example, being honest is important. Here, being honest is the subject of the sentence, like a topic.
Oh, so it's like turning an action into a thing you can talk about.
Exactly, like a video clip you can hold up and talk about. Being late makes me anxious. Being a parent is hard work. Being patient takes practice.
So the rule for being, use it with am, is, are, was, were for actions in progress or temporary behavior, and use it at the start of a sentence when you want to talk about an action like a topic.
Perfect summary.
Okay, now the final piece, and honestly, I think this is the one that confuses learners the most. Been.
Yes, been is the finished form. Remember our uniform picture? Been is the uniform you wear after the work is already done and you're telling someone about it later.
So been looks backward.
Exactly. Been always works with have, has, or had, never alone.
Right? You never just say, I've been tired. That's not correct English, even though people say it casually sometimes.
Correct, the proper form needs have or has. I have been tired. She has been busy.
So been is for experience and completed time periods, connecting the past to now.
Yes, think of been like a stamp in a passport. It shows where you've already traveled, experiences you already have, even if you're not there right now.
Ooh, a passport stamp. That's a strong picture.
So if I say, I have been to Paris, it means at some point in my life, I traveled there. The trip is finished, but the experience stays with me like a stamp in my passport.
And if I say, I have been waiting for an hour, that means the waiting started in the past and might even still be happening now.
Exactly. Been connects past action to the present moment.
Let's try a scene. Imagine you're meeting an old friend after many years.
Okay, I'll start.
Wow, it's been so long. Where have you been all these years?
I've been living in another city. I've been working at a new company, and honestly, I've been really busy.
I've been wondering about you. I've been hoping we'd meet again someday.
See 4 been sentences in one short conversation, and it sounds completely natural.
That's the beauty of been. It tells a life story in just a few words.
Let's hear a few more common patterns. Have you ever been to Japan? She has been a teacher for 10 years.
Notice something, Ryan. Been can also combine with another ing word.
Yes, that's a special pattern, the present perfect continuous, have or has plus been plus the ing form. It shows an action that started in the past and is still continuing or just recently stopped.
So really, been sometimes works as a partner with being actions too.
Exactly, they can team up. I have been studying English for 2 years. Study started in the past, continues now.
That sentence alone uses our whole topic. Have, been, and studying, an ing action.
Beautiful example. So the rule for been, use it with have, has, or had to talk about life experiences, completed actions that connect to now, or actions that continue over time.
Okay, I think it's time to put all three together, because that's where learners usually get stuck, choosing between be, being, and been in the same conversation.
Yes, let's make a simple map. Be needs a helper word in front, like will, can, should, or to. Being needs am, is, are, was, or were in front, and shows action in progress or temporary behavior. Been needs have, has, or had in front, and shows experience or a finished action connected to now.
Helper, action in progress, finished experience. That's the whole story.
Let's test it with one situation, 3 versions. Imagine talking about patience.
Okay, I want to be more patient. That's our plain be after want to.
I am being patient right now while we wait for the bus. That's being action happening at this moment.
I have been patient my whole life, but today is testing me. That's been an experience over time.
See, same idea, patience, but 3 completely different grammar jobs.
That's such a clear way to see it side by side.
One more quick set with honest. Please be honest with me. She is being honest about her feelings right now. He has always been honest in his work. Be, being, been, same word, family, 3 different jobs.
I think our listeners are starting to feel it now.
I hope so because this next part is the fun part, our famous sentence challenge.
Okay, remember at the start I promised one sentence using be, being, and been together?
Yes, let's build it slowly. Start with been, something about experience. I have been thinking about this a lot.
Good. Now let's add being. I have been thinking about being more confident.
Nice. Now let's add plain be. I have been thinking about being more confident because I want to be a better speaker.
There it is. Been, being, and be, all in one natural sentence.
Say it again, slowly.
I have been thinking about being more confident because I want to be a better speaker.
That sentence is gold. Save it, repeat it, make it yours.
You can change the ending too. I have been thinking about being healthier because I want to be stronger. Same pattern, new meaning.
Okay, before we finish, let's do our quick word tour so these patterns really stick in your memory.
First, be. Be is the plain form. It follows helper words like will, can, should, must, and to.
You can say, I will be there soon, or I need to be honest, or try to be patient.
Next, being. Being shows action happening right now, or temporary behavior, and it works with am, is, are, was, were.
You can say, he is being quiet today, or I'm being careful.
And finally, been. Been shows experience or a finished action connected to now, and it always works with have, has, or had.
You can say, I have been to London, or she has been working hard, or we had been friends for years.
Be, being, been. Helper plus be. Am, is, are, was, were plus being. Have, has, had plus been.
If you didn't catch every part, that's okay. You can listen to this section again slowly, and if you want a small challenge, try making your own sentence with all 3 words, like Maya and I just did.
You can say it in your head, or be brave and write it in the comments.
That's like sending your English brain to the gym.
A small, friendly gym where everyone is learning together.
So if someone is listening and thinking, okay, this sounds clear, but how do I actually remember it tomorrow? Let's give simple steps.
Step 1. Write one sentence with plain be after a helper word like, I want to be confident.
Step 2, write one sentence with being, like I am being patient.
Step 3. Write one sentence with been, like I have been busy this week.
Step 4, combine all 3 into one sentence, just like our challenge today.
And step 5, say something kind to yourself after you finish, like, "Nice, I understand be, being, and been a little better now."
That small sentence can change how you feel about grammar.
Yes, you stop being scared of grammar and you become your own English coach.
Okay, let's quickly recap so you can remember everything.
Be is the plain form, used after helper words like will, can, should, and to.
Being is the action form, used with am, is, are, was, were, for things happening now or temporary behavior.
Been is the finished form, used with have, has, or had for experiences and actions connected to the present.
And remember, the passport stamp, been shows where you've already been, even if you're somewhere else now.
And remember the video versus photo idea. Be is the photo, calm and simple. Being is the video, action in progress.
That's a beautiful summary.
Thanks. And we want to say this clearly. You don't need to memorize a grammar book to use these words correctly. You just need to remember the 3 small pictures we gave you today: the new employee, the video clip, and the passport stamp.
Yes, and even one good sentence a day can change your English over time.
And we believe you can do that.
Now it's your turn.
Yes, question for you. Can you write one sentence using be, being, and been all together like we did today?
Please write your answer in the comments. Your sentence might help another learner too.
And if this episode helped you, please like, subscribe, and share it with a friend who also mixes up be, being, and been.
Thank you so much for spending this time with us. You didn't waste it. You invested it in your English.
We're proud of you.
This was Everyday English Flow with Maya and Ryan.
Until next time, be kind to yourself, keep being curious, and remember everywhere you've been with your English so far.
Bye, everyone.
Bye-bye, take care.